But it's interesting on this occasion of Women's Day that we're culling out some interesting data from heading traditional businesses to even shaking up the startup ecosystem. We've seen women do it all. In fact, there's research that suggests that companies that are led by women actually fare better in the long run. Let's take it across then to my colleague Sharad, who joins in to tell us how we're seeing women actually make their mark and make a huge difference in the startup world. Sharad.
Well, it's a matter of pride over here, and over the last 10 years or so, the women-led startups have actually outperformed the peer in the Indian ecosystem. Now, let's look at the contribution coming in, or in case of actually holding these companies by the women, and that has actually increased to 8% per levels seen since 2022 as well. But now let's talk about the funding trend in the women-led startups. What are the numbers looking like? And of course, we see a strong numbers coming in from 2020 onwards, and it's almost $4.3 billion for the year 2022. Now, all this data has been compiled by Traction, and apart from that, the important thing is almost 2,200 women-led startups which have already received funding. Almost, we can say, almost 36% have progressed to Series A funding, and after that, apart from that, even the remaining 24% have gone on to sector almost a Series D stage or beyond that. But which are the important startups which are having the maximum number of market cap when it comes to being women-led? And of course, at the top is Byju's with a $22 billion of valuations, followed by Lenskart, Big Basket, and also startups such as Fire, as well as Infra Market, with their valuations ranging between $1.5 to $2.5 billion. Apart from this, let's look at the numbers of the cities, where they're having the most number of women-led startups, and this comes in with Delhi with almost 2,100 plus startups coming, followed by Bengaluru and Mumbai. But we spoke about startups and funding, but where are the angel investors amongst the women? And over here as well, we see a strong growth coming in from 2015, from 172 active angel investors. The number has gone up to more than 300 numbers for the year 2022.